Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we have calculated how to find sum of n natural numbers by using single for loop. And we also got to know the time complexity is order of n. Now let's try to optimize this code from order of n to further level. So we know there is a formula to calculate sum of n natural numbers. So that would be n into n plus 1 by 2. So maybe if I take the value 5, so we get 5 into 6 by 2. So that would be the value 15. So in this, we also were able to calculate the sum of n natural numbers. So let's try to write this logic in our Visual Studio Code. So this time complexity is order of n. So I'll add a comment. So in Python, comments would be followed by hashtag. So time complexity, it would be order of n. Now let's try to go for optimized logic. So I'll take sum of n natural numbers. I'm going for lower camel case for the variable declaration. Sum of n equals to, so I would say number multiplied by number plus 1 divided by 2. So basically divide by 2 in the sense we are supposed to go for floor division so that we need to get the integer value. So let's print sum of n natural numbers. So let's try to run this code. So giving the value 5. So getting the output to be 15 followed by 15. Let's run once more. So giving the value to 10. Output is 55 as well as 55. So maybe if I take any some random value 100, so even it works. So this is how this logic works, guys. So the time complexity of this respect to two lines of code is order of 1. So why order of 1? Because so we did not see any loop over here. So because if there is no loop, we can assume that time complexity would be order of 1. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.